In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the perfect ab workout routine that you can do at home to build your midsection. More on that after the intro. Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the perfect ab workout routine that you can do from the comfort of your own home with zero equipment. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up as fast as possible, maybe you want mass gain meal plans, workouts, recipes, simple tips and tricks to bulk up fast. If that sounds like content you want, make sure to subscribe right now. And if you've been following me for a while now, make sure after this video to click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to start your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So basically how today's ab workout works is I'm gonna run you through 6 perfect ab exercises to work the upper, the middle, and the lower abs to build more thickness in your midsection. You're gonna be able to take your shirt off at the beach with confidence and you're gonna finally build some abs that you're proud of. So basically we're gonna do 3 sets per exercise. We're gonna go with AMRAP, which is as many reps as possible for 45-second rounds. Now I won't talk too much about the workout, so let's get straight into it. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.